We are on the optional hard trails today, or this lap anyway. Front row, man down.
Really?
Oh, he's already back up.
Oh man, that was quick then, huh? I'm impressed.
It was Ryan.
Oh well, he didn't go down really. Hell, he's got longer legs than you do, man.
I know. That's hard to believe. Oh, that's that hill you and I went up back last summer.
Yeah.
Oh, he lost his roll-offs. Ah, I hate when that happens. The whole thing came off the goggle lens.
Oh shit.
Are we under the eagle nest?
No, it's over there.
Oh, okay.
Are they?
Yeah, he was just sticking that roll-off thing in his pocket.
Okay.
You're just right at the top of the hill.
Okay.
Justin!
Now, there's no other way to go except this way, so.
Are we still on track?
On track for what?
Can you see your GPS?
Oh. Well, no, I don't have my readers on. You know, I lost one pair of my glasses since we got back already.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, well, they're only like $7, but still. That's why Randy said to buy those. He's like, you will lose them.
Yeah. I came back with everything except for a pair of rain pants and jacket. The clear ones?
Yeah. Yep. Me as well. Well, and the bottom off of one rock strap.
Oh, yeah.
I never did find that. I've looked.
A-Loop sent me, or is it A-Loop?
Giant Loop?
Giant Loop sent me a strap for free.
They're cool.
Yeah, he was. He's like, man, that tour of Idaho is the real deal. I'm sending this to you for free. This is that deep hole, isn't it?
Yeah, there's fish in there as big as my hand.
I'm going to just take your word on that. No need to stop and go wading looking.
No, you don't. Some deep holes in here now, too.
I'll let Justin find them for me.
Well, when he goes over his handlebars, that's when you take note.
Cool, good to know.
Oh my, had a little slump here. Oh, that's interesting. Make sure nobody misses this turn. Because if they have to go down, it sucks. Really bad.
Surely he'll see that arrow. Alright. He's going to wait on him.
Yeah, Ryan knows where it is. But you don't want to go down there.
I can tell.
You don't want to.
Kind of sloppy. I just knocked a ribbon down, minus 2 challenge points.
Well, that's fine with me, bud. Just means nobody else will find this shit. I'm keeping this on all the good stuff.
Yeah, I see that. That looks slick. Justin. I screwed Ron again.
He rode with me all day yesterday, so he's used to it.
You know, I try not to spin and roost them, so I'm being easy on the throttle, but then I lose my momentum and kills my traction, and it all goes downhill from there. And he ends up the beneficiary of it all.
He's younger than all of us.